Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OAuth for Smartsheet using Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup section by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type apps and select the App Manager option. Click on the new Connected App button located in the top right corner. Fill out the basic information for your connected app. In the app name field, enter a recognizable name for your Smartsheet integration. In the API name field, this will auto-populate based on the app name. In the contact email field, enter a valid email address for communication regarding the API. Locate the section titled API, Enable OAuth Settings. Check the box to enable OAuth settings. Fill out the callback URL field with the URL provided by Smartsheet. Select the OAuth scopes you want to grant to the connected app. Typically, you would include access and manage your data, API. Once you have filled out the necessary fields, click on Save. It may take a few minutes for the connected app to be fully created. After that, navigate to the Manage App section of the newly created app. Make a note of the consumer key and consumer secret generated for the app. These will be required for the authorization process with Smartsheet. Now, open a new browser tab and log into your Smartsheet account. In Smartsheet, go to the Account section and select Apps and Integrations. Navigate to the Developer Tools, then choose API Access. There you will find an option to create a new integration. Enter a name for the integration and paste the consumer key and consumer secret from Salesforce. Set the appropriate permissions for the integration according to your needs. Once everything is filled out, click Save to authenticate the OAuth connection. You may be redirected to Salesforce for authorization. Log into Salesforce if prompted and authorize the application. Once authorized, you will receive a confirmation message on both Salesforce and Smartsheet. Your OAuth for Smartsheet using Salesforce is now successfully configured. You can start using Smartsheet with the authorized Salesforce integration. Confirm everything works by testing out a simple API request. If you encounter issues, double-check the callback URL and the permissions set. That concludes the process for authorizing OAuth between Smartsheet and Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.